Please, one more video because the energies are so amazing. But less talking, more listening. Nature is communicating. Hi babies, I love you so much. Yes. Thank you for coming for visit. Thank you for saying hello. Thank you for keeping us safe. There is an order in everywhere and everything. Hi, Miminkies. Hi, Mimis. And all ascended masters are protected through kingdoms of nature. Spiritual. Hey, spiritual. What? You do making mess? Spiritual animals. Your spirit animals, your spirit guides are always around you. But even the beings of nature. Amazing. Let me see if I can call some. Some places they will come even sit on your hand, you know, if you have food. Depends what area you are, because all animals are very, very high empaths. They can feel, like I said it before in one of my videos. They know your intentions, so you cannot lie to them. But pets can be manipulated through the mental manipulation and energy levels, because they're such a high, they're psychics, right? They have a gifts as well, so they also go through the, so if the person, if their owner doesn't like you, they may attack you. Okay, it's just so you are aware. Well, hello, where are you? Someone came to visit very close. Thank you for all your love. So always go ground yourself in nature, and you know, it's not easy to be multidimensional cosmic being, and the self-care, self-love, ladies and gentlemen, so important, you know. Changing the lifestyles, perhaps realizing what is truly important and valuable for you. You are all authentic, you know. Finding partners that are compatible with our energies on all levels. That's how we, you know. And even if it takes a few more years to wait, or like just experience their lives and then see, you know, make discernments, and that's okay. That's how you know, the way how you know is to know what you don't like and what doesn't. And this is shifting. You are all evolving. So stay in now. Focus on your breath. There's many great breathing techniques. Release all that doesn't serve you through exhalation, and bring the new energies, new life through inhalation into your body. And we can visualize, even invite that energy, send that breath into each chakra. Energy work, it's And the more you're doing it, the faster and more, will go. But it takes time every time when you're cleansing your auras and when we're doing healing and even on astral realms, always preparing our energy so they can be as pure as possible, and just always staying impartial. Always stay impartial, and the pure intentions brings the fastest results. You cannot fake intentions. You cannot fake it. And you know and deep inside there is always light in that in that intention. It may not seem to, because when someone's manipulating someone, let's say psychics, and they want their clients to come back, and many of them would not reveal all the information just so they get that call back client. So they kind of just give them partial information so they get their energy and attention for the next appointment, and money, right? It's about money there. So it's all learning experience for both of those souls. This is a soul contract, and and again, everybody's doing things for different reasons. And maybe that psychic needs to, maybe there is a pressure for paying the bills, or maybe that's the survival reasons. If there is a ego reasons and they really want to be the most popular and the most of this and most of that, question the intentions of the creation, of the creator. And if for the psychics, that's a different story. When we are sharing information through our channels, when we are creating videos, that's a different story too. So that every case, every moment is so specific. You have to look at it like, if you want to see the truth, you have to go through each moment by moment. Stay in neutral emotional level of yourself. Stay always impartial, and be honest with the integrity. Be honest with yourself. And it's okay when you don't have to explain anything to anybody. You can cancel the soul contracts if for whatever reason it's necessary. So let's say that you are assisting someone who's trying to heal themselves, and they can become trigger, or or they become you feel the energies, or it's just you don't you don't feel maybe comfortable with the way that how they condescending responses and stuff like that. You have a right to just say, wish you all the best. Hey, you try your best and move on. Don't wait. We cannot force anybody to heal faster than they are ready to do. You can lead a horse to the water, but you cannot force it drink. Hey, babies. Yeah. Hello. I love the nature, and nature loves me. Hey, babies. Yeah. Hello, Kiki. Hello, chitties. Chickadee, chickadees. Isn't this beautiful? I know, such a freedom, such a light in the nature. I'm so grateful for the moment here and now. Thank you. Thank you, beautifuls. I hope I got few of them on the video. So be kind and loving to yourself, please. Be kind and loving to each other. No more competition. It's cooperation. We are not here to take anything, like the 3D competition, it's over. Yeah. 3D competition is over, and we are here for creating cooperation and unity and love and make this life better for ourselves, first of all. For ourselves, first of all, yes. And many can judge you that you are selfish or whatever. You need to look after yourself first. You need to look after yourself first. You know, even nurses know that happy baby, happy mommy, happy baby. So make sure that you recharge as often as you can. You know, some of you look after your cell phones, and are you recharging them more often than you're recharging yourself? And the energy that you are investing in helping other, you know, you gotta get to know yourself, who you truly are. And hey, many of us walk alone, truly never alone, but to know yourself, you need to sometimes, you know, many of us had to go through the process where we had to be really, this is not, you know, many of us consciously decided to go to isolation, to get to know ourselves without any influences. And this is what monks and all the nuns, and you know, that's why they're living in specific, because the energies, influences from outside can block the divinity from within. So become aligned. Isolation, that's why people go campings, changing the environments, changing the energies where you can uplift your spirit. Not only through the actions, but also through the people. Tell me who your friends are, and I tell you your future. You know, that's a little bit cliche, but okay, whatever. Because that doesn't really, your friends really don't dictate your future. But the energy of the people that you hang out, and energy of the groups that, you know, if you allow it, it will have an effect on you. Don't give people your power. It's nobody's business. It's nobody's business. Your personal, you know, sometimes, I mean, I know people like to share this, their, you know, their gifts and their spiritual spiritual powers, and just but that's very private information. And you also know the intentions of those individuals. Yeah, replication, yeah, it may be possible for a little bit, but a true power, it comes from within. And that's it. Don't let them suck your energy away, okay? People call them energy vampires. I don't like to really put any titles on anyone, because everyone who came to this planet, every soul who came to this planet was innocent, pure soul. Their actions, their behaviors, their level of consciousness has nothing to do with the true original purity of their soul. You know, planet Earth, it's a spiritual planet. It's a school for your spiritual evolution, and many of us came here to cleanse the karmic pasts, share the information, allow people make their own choices. It's a free will universe. We have been manipulated way for too long as a society. Now you're gaining your individual freedom to choose. And not only that, you're activated now. You have that extra help from within yourself. You have that extra help from as above. Trust your intuition, trust your energies. And if you're still learning, that's okay. Question everything. And then observe. See what happens. It's only experience. There is no wrong or right. It's your experience. So go for it. Whenever you think that you need to experience or you want to experience, you know, when you are here and now, you're not even planning tomorrow. But it takes time, and it's not easy for people to be practicing or to living in, it's transition. This is a new earth of now, okay? That's what we are ascending to. Everybody's going to be living in the present moment of now. It assists you with your own healings. B, there's many different reasons. It's much more beneficial to your body, organism, to your level of energies, and collectively, individually. But some of them will not going to benefit from it because, the ones that benefited from all, that's over. Okay? That times are over because people will no longer, the integrity of their souls, integrity of their higher self will not, they will not allow themselves to proceed actions that are against their own true honor and integrity. Purification of the DNA, purification of, re-remembering who we truly are, what's really important on this planet, and how we want to experience the life here and now. The energies that we investing, the healing that we investing in ourselves will determine the success in your life, in your future. Please understand right now and listen carefully. The time and energy you're investing in yourself right now will determine the success and victories. You are all victorious because you are awakening, but much is still coming. One of the hardest things for this society is to slow down and step out of that matrix. Very hard for many people that, they don't know. They feel guilty when they are resting. They don't know how to rest without even resting their mind, resting on full capacity of themselves. It's not laziness, it's necessary. Naps are important, and taking full resting periods of day, doing absolutely nothing, it's necessary sometimes because we have been running ourselves so much. Okay, helping, and even consciously, subconsciously, we are still working on all levels. Even when you're resting, that peace that you're creating, that divinity you are allowing by being here and now, just being. Don't allow others to suck you into the mental matrices. Everyone is very unique. Yeah, everyone is dealing with their own little issues, and that's important for them so they can heal. You are just the witness. Love them, assist them as much as you can. Don't get attached to their sufferings. It's not your responsibility. Your happiness, it's your responsibility. Focus on that. Love them, have a compassion for them. But don't observe the energies that don't belong to you. You're not responsible for the wounds of others. Yeah? And even if you are, forgive yourself, they're still responsible for healing themselves. Sometimes we hurt others because we were honest. And that's okay. That's not really bad, we give them the opportunity. Like, let's say that you break up the relationship that no longer serves you. You were honest with yourself. And it is horrible experience for both of the partners. But it is what it is. And sometimes we do have to, like people hurt us. Sometimes that's not intentional pain. That's not intentional harm. Releasing yourself, allowing yourself to walk the path that is best for you. Anyone who loves you unconditionally will encourage you to do so. You can love people all the time. You can love, I think I did some postings about that before on Facebook that, when people are going through divorce, nastiness can happen between the couples. Females manipulating the police, lying, and all kind of darkness and bullshit, excuse my language, comes out of these games. There's no need for that. You are showing your children You're planting in their subconscious ideas and thoughts that may not even be truth about your partners, because you are wounded, because you are unhappy, because you didn't get what you were expecting or your dreams. When you are in relationship, you know, you can make it together or you don't, and both of the partners needs to be aligned on a same energy levels. So there is trust, you know, there is no question of trusting each other. There is no, because it just is. There is a love, and that's keeping you, and nothing will separate you. Nothing will go. You know, you know, and you are, and it's a magnificent dance between the partners, and it's coming back to the planet Earth again. People are reuniting and experiencing miracles. Hey, right? We brought our miracles on this planet. Yes, many gifts. You are the gifts to this planet. Children are gifts to this planet, and we are here to experience the life and influence it as much as we want and we can. Enjoy the ride. You are all beautiful, beautiful multidimensional beings. Yeah. Time to celebrate. Doctors are speaking the truth now. Everybody's coming together. This is an amazing time to be in level of energies and gratitude, and it's just being aware how much greatness is happening on all levels. Not only how much we need to do, not only seeing the darkness, but really truly see how much love it's all around, and how much people are uniting and speaking, and yeah, they are protesting, and they have a right, the freedom of expression. Don't allow anyone to take that away from you. Hey babies, be like the birds, be free and fly whenever you want. When you are single, life is amazing. When you are in a relationship, life can be amazing. Unconditional love. So invest your time in you, okay? It's not selfish, it's mandatory. Nature will be so grateful too, because you're bringing your energies, you know, we bringing so much healing to the nature, eh? Activating the chi of the forest. You want to practice chi, you want to practice qigong? Beautiful places to go and stop and just allow yourself to integrate and connect with all that is. That's all that it is. All the possible infinite possibilities are coming in specific times for you, so you can be successful. And sometimes things don't work out for our own benefits, especially when you are aligned and there is no more needed for repeating the same learning lessons. When you value yourself and you love yourself unconditionally, you never settle for, you know, your loneliness is a beautiful thing. People, the low subconscious programming, even in you don't need to be in a physical world together when you are connected on astral realms. Connect with your twin flames on astral realms. Experience whenever you need to experience. Yeah, baby, it's beautiful. I am grateful for everything that I had a chance to experience. I'm looking forward to more. And the physical manifestations and the connections, and that all comes. That all comes. Whenever you're supposed to experience, you are. So enjoy the ride. Love you all so much. Stay strong, stay connected, stay united, support each other. Most importantly, please be kind and loving and gentle to yourself, because you deserve it. You deserve the fairy tales loves where when you are resonating with your partner on multidimensional levels, the love, it's no more work. That's a illusion of love. That love, it's hard. You know, you gotta we got you know you gotta find partner that it's on similar level of consciousness that you are, and and build a life together. We are connecting with lots of twin flames. They may not be the one cosmic true love twin flame, but they need our love. They need our assistance. They need our healing, so they can become the best version. Many of them, there's this also soul contracts as well. You meet lots of individuals that you connect on many deep levels, and maybe they were your husbands, partners, lovers in your past lives. Maybe who knows? There's so many different. Maybe they are your brothers, sisters, the soul families, connections. We are all connected on many levels. So enjoy your life, be well, be kind, protect our children. Our children deserve beautiful life. So let's make it good for them by healing ourselves, by healing, increasing our energies. And you know what? Be well. Everything is perfectly fine the way it is. I love you all. Namaste. I hope this video gave you a little bit inspiration to your own self empowerment and journey through ascensions towards your own enlightenment. Have a wonderful life, and be kind, be loving, be gentle to yourself and others. Namaste. I love you.